Hello everybody, this is Aaron, and this is going to be an unboxing and first look at the Nike Zoom Pegasus 35 Turbos. So, I got these in the mail today, and haven't even gotten on the box. I've kind of been just waiting off on looking at these. I've been kind of busy, so I don't have time to look at them, so pretty hyped about these. I will be using these for like my cross country season. I'll be running in these, putting some good miles on these. So, all right, let's get right into it. Oh, baby, these things are hot. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. I did go with the black colorway. I was originally looking at the other colorway, like the kind of orangish and whitish color, the lighter colorway out of the two, but they didn't have them in my size anymore. They were out of it, so I went with this one. And the whole purpose of these, I just want to beat the crap out of them. I just want to put a ton of miles on them and give like a really nice review from like a cross-country runner's perspective, because I feel like that's something that's really needed. A lot of people wear these shoes just for style, or some of them do go on some jogs occasionally, but I really want to beat the crap out of these things, and that's kind of something I went with. Even though these things were a lot of money, with spending around $180 on these things, retail is a lot of money. So these things do have the ZoomX top layer and Nike React bottom layer on them, and the ZoomX layer is already kind of crinkled. I can see it's made to do that, but it's already pretty crinkled. So, give you a nice little close-up of one of the shoes. Looks pretty nice. Got the nice React mid part right here that is kind of exposed, which I'm very skeptical about. I'm more of like an all rubber in the bottom type of person, just for the longer use of the shoe, so it doesn't wear out as much. But it still is rubber right here and right here, which are high contact points, and then as well as a band that goes around the whole rest of the shoe. Alright, so that's a pretty close-up view. I haven't really seen videos on the internet that are that close up, so I wanted to at least get that out there. I'll also do an update on the shoe. I'm not sure what mileage I want to keep updating on. If I want to do like 100 miles or 200 miles, but I will continue with mileage updates to give feedback on the shoe and help people out there that are thinking about this shoe and aren't quite sure or sold on it, whether they should go out and get a pair or not, because $180 is pretty steep, and you don't want to just drop $180 on a pair of shoes without really knowing what you're getting into. So that's the end of this video. I will talk to you guys later when I have a review on these shoes or any other type of video that I plan on making on my channel. So have a nice rest of your day. See you later.